everybody, my name is Mcclendon. This video is going to be about me going over the market and going over some economics, so pay attention. If you guys got any questions, drop them below and let's get into it. So guys, we're looking at the market right now for the Forex Calendar. So we're seeing right now, because right now you guys have a bank holiday for people in the States, and in China there's another holiday. So we're looking at it for a week. We don't got too much big stuff. We got unemployment changes for and employment change for Australian dollar. Some other key news on Friday. A lot of big news on euro and pound on Friday, so be aware of that. So guys, let's knock out the news. What I really want to go to is silver. Silver has been having some massive movements in the last few days. For me, I've been buying silver periodically despite where it's at. To me, anything under 30 is a solid deal. I see silver buying way more than it was currently priced at now. See silver priced in dollars way higher. So to me, this is all just discounts. So every pullback, I just buy more. And I buy in multiple ways: ETFs, ETNs, physical silver, and also kind of like digital way, like swiping with your credit debit card. But those ways that I buy. If you have any questions about that, just drop a link below, drop a comment below. Same thing for gold. Gold has been going down, a little downtrend right now. You can see there's a lot of big buying points every little pullback. So that's the same thing I've been doing. Every pullback, I've been buying more and more for various reasons, which I'm going to go into for the next chart, chart after this one. Same thing for oil. So guys, oil is heading up higher just because the Fed needs to pump it up as high as possible to get the markets higher. The oil is the lifeblood of the markets. Oil goes up, you'll see all the other indices go up. So for me, get into the trend's your friend. Get into oil, and you benefit from that. Either when you get paid the monthly dividends, or get the monthly dividends and get on the capital gain side also. So that's the way I'm approaching it also. Now, when it comes to the Fed balance sheet, the Fed balance sheet has been exploding, and since we entered the recession, it is increasing higher and higher. And with all the stimulus is going to be even more, making this go higher and higher. So this is inflationary. Now, it might not reflect in consumer prices yet. Remember the definition of inflation is the increase of the credit supply or currency supply. So prices may head higher soon or later. We don't know. I think it will, but maybe there's going to be some delay because a lot of our currency is shipped overseas and stored in banks. So a lot of it will not affect the economy. It affects the markets, which is not so much the interior economy. So let's head into that another chart. So let's check out gold versus gold for the stock market. The stock market has been basically exploding higher. I see that getting into stock market, yes, you're going to be getting some gains possibly, but I think that getting into the better asset class that's cheaper, so when the move goes up, you can buy more of the depreciating for the depreciating asset. So let's check about the gold Dow silver ratio. Same thing. I think the Dow compared to silver, the Dow is overvalued compared to silver. I think silver is the most undervalued asset out there. I mean, there's some cryptos out there that probably can beat it, but for me, when it comes for a short bet, get into silver. Now looking at the Dow gold ratio. Now, same thing. I see gold is undervalued comparing it to the Dow. The Dow is going to make higher highs, so this ratio is going to get better and better. To me, getting more positions to silver and gold. And when it comes to gold versus prices, you have this right here. You can see that they're both trending pretty much higher price in dollars, and it's going to take off from even higher highs. I have no idea how it's going to be high or how it's going to be priced in dollars, but I am measuring the purchasing power of it. If you guys want to know how that works, just DM me. I can show you how to do it. And here is the gold silver ratio over the last 100 years. It is pretty insane. So both are undervalued, but silver is way more undervalued than gold is. So, alright guys, let me get some important stuff. Here's my website. I'm updating a lot of it. I'm putting some of the crypto stuff on here, putting some news on here, so you guys can go through it all on my website, so they bounce around the places. Also, these will be links to news articles, which I'll have pretty much the top 4 or 5 articles that I'm looking at. If you go to the gold and silver portion to learn more about, I have all the links in there. Click this if you want to learn how to actually measure gold and silver to make sure you guys are not getting the wrong types of silver and gold. But here's some of the rates right here. I'm gonna add some more links on here so you guys can keep you guys up to date about gold and silver. Well, guys, if you have any questions or comments about my channel or myself or what's the market's going, just drop them below. Please subscribe and like. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.